Do we have the,
Is this real life? Why do you have hiccups?
Don't. Yeah, it's side effect of I think I have Vicodin. Motrin. G, may Vicodin ako, no? Saka Motrin.
What?
800 milligrams. What's that, Philip? Put your seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Papunta akong bibili ng amoxicillin. Oo. Meron ba? Ay, oo, tingnan ko. Sige. 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 Okay. Ano ka, mag-lean ka, anak ko. Hindi pwede yung ganyan. Sige na. Sige, pupunta muna kami. You go over there na.
Yeah.
Bilisan natin para maano. Kailangan mamaya ano yan. Tumigil ka nga, maarte ka ata. Maarte ka ba? Ba't nakangiti ka? Huwag kang ganyan.
It feels fine.
But come on, let's go.
Is this real life? Why is he hiccuping?
Yeah, that's a side effect of the anesthesia. Because that's like laughing anesthesia. Baka
Just touch me.
okay. Lie down na. Mag-drive pa.
Why are you recording?
I need to,
Where are we going?
get out from here.
We're going home?
Yeah, go through Laguna because we go to this Kaiser in Bruceville. Huh? Huh? Will you vomit? I cannot understand you, anak ko. Mag-relax ka lang dyan.
Huh?
Huh? McDonald's? We cannot go to McDonald's. You're lying down.
Water?
Water, you cannot drink anything
You
yet.
can drink.
Sige na.
Time.
He's lying down. Kailan maghiga siya doon?
You're right.
Ang tigas naman ng ulo mo.